Okay, so this is the course. Wait, before you shoot. Huh? Yeah, I can go in the water, but then... Oh, wait. Maybe it's not supposed to go in the water. Oh, it's supposed to go in this thing. Oh, there it is. Okay, never mind. 2. That's cool. 2. Drop my phone, I felt it. And that's why I'm careless, because this holder doesn't even hold it right anyway.
Well, it's supposed to be like that.
Yeah, but I like it like that so I can just do it out instead of here.
Is this still videotaping?
Yeah, it's recording it.
It's right underneath, right on the ground. On the ground, on the ground.
On the ground?
Over there.
Over where? Oh.
That's Claire. Say hi, Claire.
Hi.
Rich and baby. Say hi, baby.
Nah, just fucking drool.
Oh, I just need it.
Oh, hold on. Oh my god. Oh. So close to home.
Mommy did it the waterway, I did it the landway.
Okay, Claire, hold baby.
Take a mulligan.
You're disqualified, Rich.
No, that's a redo.
Rich is disqualified. Rich is disqualified. There you go. Rich is taking the landway.
No.
Rich is taking the landway. I know, it's so bad. It's probably going to be too. Sorry.
Oh, you're fine, you're fine. We were just hurrying up to get out there.
Okay.
Would you not hold her like that?
I know.
Come here, baby.
I've held her better than that. Alright. I'll grab your purse, okay?
Alright, what do you want me to do with the camera?
Is it still recording?
No, I pushed stop. Oh, never mind, it's still recording.
Here.